Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Are you looking to immerse yourself in the world of 3D designing? Are you trying to render massive projects faster to increase your work rate? Well, you've found yourself on the right video. As you may know, a high level of performance is required for 3D modeling and rendering. Not every notebook on the market can handle 3D design software. Choosing the right device takes time, effort and patience. Also, one must know the minimum specs needed for 3D designing. We have done immense research, and gone in depth on the best laptops for 3D modeling. It would help, if you didn't spend too little or too much on a laptop, which does not suit your needs. Today, we'll take a look at the 3 best laptops for 3D modeling in the market right now. We've also ranked them, based on their price, quality, durability, and performance. To make it easier, we will include timestamps in the description down below. You can also see the prices and other information about laptops, by using the links in the description. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let's get started. (3) Lenovo Ideapad L340. For starters, the Intel Core i7 9750 processor is a standout performer. It is capable of reaching turbo clocking speeds of up to 4.5 GHz. Design. Despite packing and powerful hardware, this gadget is still quite portable at 6.13 pounds. Display. The 17.3 inch is a charming screen size given for 3D modelers and computer-aided designers. Besides that, the IPS panel brings forth anti-glare technology. They are thereby allowing you to work relentlessly, without putting additional strain on the eyes. Performance. The multi-core processor supports multi-threading, and it's perfect for CPU-intensive tasks. It is well assisted by 12 MB of cache memory with the GTX 1650 GPU and 4 GB of VRAM. When it comes to the processing, Windows 10 Home Edition is at the helm. The 16 GB RAM lends ample support to the processor. The dual SSD plus HDD model takes care of the storage requirements. Keyboard. Lenovo also features a backlit keyboard followed by a highly responsive touchpad. Connectivity. You get USB 3.1 Type-C output, and a host of other functional slots and port management. Conclusion. Best for 3D modeling due to its overall specs and display. 2. Asus Zenbook Pro Duo. If you seek power and performance all at once, the Zenbook Pro Duo is the perfect gadget in the market. This is a perfectly designed workstation-centric laptop weighing a mere 5.5 pounds. This powerful gadget also flaunts a unique thermal cooling design to minimize heat generation. Display. Asus Zenbook Pro Duo comes equipped with 2 4K touch panels. The 15.6-inch primary display offers 3840 by 2160 pixels in total. It features a matte screen to optimize multitasking. Performance. It has a dual display that gets with the high-end gaming and intensive hardware. The Intel Core i9-9980HK CPU is the fastest processor for 3D modeling. The Intel chipset offer a decent base clocking and significant turbo clocking speeds. The 8 processor cores is enough to handle demanding modeling and rendering tasks. It comes with turbocharged clocking speeds of up to 5.0 GHz and multi-threading technology. The final rendering can take up a lot of disk space, that is why Asus brings forth a 1TB SSD. The machine also stacks in a powerful RTX 2060 GPU with 6 GB of RAM. This device helps you run complex CAD applications like Katya and Maya. Besides assisting seamless, 3D renders that make use of the GPU accelerometer. Keyboard. Asus also brings advanced LED keyboard, intuitive screenpad, plus the palm resting support. Connectivity. The device is suitable for travelers because it is pretty sleek. The connectivity allows you to pair additional displays, with faster refresh rates with ease. It includes the Wi-Fi 6 support, followed by the support for accelerated ray tracing. Battery. The device seems to be under power in the battery department, with the module capable of offering only 4 hours of steady backup. Conclusion. Overall, this gadget from Asus is a perfect bet for the 3D modelers and CAD experts. 1. Gigabyte Aero 15. It is the best device to consider for professionals seeking power without compromising mobility. It has an exceptional display that is the scene stealer. Design. It is the most powerful laptop and it only weighs 4.4 pounds. This laptop is the metal construction, it's black and it's pretty clean. Display. It has a 15.6 inches 4K OLED display which is great. The color gamut is unmatched by any IPS display. This screen is color calibrated straight out of the factory, and it's even Pantone validated. You watch a movie on this, you just tear up enjoying it because the blacks look so perfect. Performance. You get Intel CPU at the helm, which makes high-end processing and CPU-intensive tasks easy. The base clocking speed of 2.6 GHz can be turbocharged. The RTX 2060 GPU is faster than any GTX module in the market. Keyboard. This is a very comfortable keyboard to type on. It will take nearly 30 to 45 minutes to get used to it. The keys are very tactile, and they have a good travel distance. Connectivity. The ports on this are perfect where you can hook up a 4K 120Hz display. It comes with USB Type-C, Thunderbolt 4, and you have 2 more USB ports. Battery. It offers about 5 hours of battery life on your productivity work. Conclusion. Graphics-intensive modeling is made easy with the 6 GB of the VRAM. You can log into this device with a fingerprint scanner. This laptop can upgrade all the standard stuff. Final verdict. Gigabyte Aero 15 is the best laptop for 3D modeling and rendering. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. In my channel, you will get latest and detailed laptop reviews. Plus, the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. You can select and buy your favorite laptop from the Amazon link given in the description. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Which is your top pick from today's video, Asus Zenbook Pro Duo, or a Gigabyte Aero 15? Let me know about your top pick in the comment section down below. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.